Hey guys, it's Miguel, senior artist at Sephora, Hollywood and Highland. And if you're interested in learning how to do smoky eyes for hooded eyes, keep watching. My complexion is finished. I'm going to be going in with the first product, the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion Original. This is a 24-hour crease-free wear that stays put and won't budge. I applied it on my eyes with the Dofa applicator, and I'm using the warmth of my finger to blend it through. And then also applying it to my bottom lash line. Next up, Marc Jacobs Beauty Highliner Gel Eye Crayon Eyeliner in Black Ore. I love using this gel-based liner to really make sure that I get the intensity that I'm looking for. So you'll notice I'm placing it on the outer corners and blending it through. Grabbing my Sephora Pro Brush number 27 and blending out any edges. And now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I have a hooded eye and it's a little bit smaller, so I have to be very particular as far as placement goes. So you're noticing I'm really saturating my lash line and then blending it upward. I do this so that way I don't blow out the shadow too far out. And then again, blending out with my number 27 brush. All right, are you guys ready for the next one? The palette I'm gonna grab is our Pat Mcgrath Labs Mothership 5 eyeshadow palette in Bronze Seduction. This palette has 10 iconic shades, including 5 next generation formula shades, enriched with pure color and diamond sparkle. First color I'm going to be using is the dark purple eggplant color, and I'm going to be placing it right over where I put my Marc Jacobs highliner. All right, I'm going to pick up my Sephora Pro Brush number 27, and I'm going to really layer that product to make sure that I get the intensity that I'm looking for. Now that I have my dark color on, I'm going to go in and actually diffuse it with this terracotta brown shade. I'm going to grab our Sephora Pro Brush number 19 and make sure that it's all nicely blended. This is perfect for a hooded eye. I'm placing the shadow on my brow bone and blending upward to make sure that I get the lift and the blend that I'm looking for. Going back and forth to make sure that I'm blending out any of the dark purple or the black, leaving a little bit of room for that highlight on the brow, and layer until you get the intensity that you want. So I'm grabbing my Marc Jacobs eyeliner again and really going into my waterline and saturating it. I really want to get a dramatic look, so I'm going to keep layering it a few times. Picking up my Sephora Pro Brush number 14, I'm going to grab that dark purple again and just really go over the black liner to blend out any edges and really diffuse. I'm using the tip of our Sephora Pro Brush number 14 to make sure I get a nice clean smudge and that the eyeshadow doesn't blow out too far. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I love to elongate my lower lash line. So I'm taking the Sephora Collection number 11 brush and dragging it to the inner corner of my eye to stretch it out. I'm going to be grabbing this really cool green iridescent eyeshadow, and to make sure that it's going to go on with a ton of pigment, I'm going to be using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. I'm going to spray my finger, lightly tap on my lid, and then one clean swipe to get that pigment payoff, and then layer as desired. Going back in with our Sephora Collection brush number 27 to make sure that I blend out any of the edges from the glitter. As you can see, it's adding a lot of dimension to my eye. I typically like going with all the darker and the matte colors first, and then at the end just hitting the shimmer. So spraying a clean finger with a Cover FX setting spray, I'm going to lightly tap, and with my other finger, I'm going to go ahead and just stipple and press the pigment into my lid. And then once again, blending with my number 27. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab our Sephora Pro Brush number 19, just helping to balance out both eye shapes, making sure that they both look symmetrical. And I'm just going back and forth and adding a little bit of the dark purple over the green. This is going to transform that brighter green into a little bit more of a deeper green, almost like a beetle effect. Up next, Buxom Lash Volumizing Mascara. This mascara does it all: volume, length, and lifts. Working that mascara closer to my roots of my lashes to make sure that I don't get any clump, and stretching the product through my lashes. Don't forget to give your bottom lashes some love. Next up, Pat Mcgrath Labs Lip Fetish Lip Balm in color Bronze Astro. This is a hydrating lip balm that has pearlescence and shimmer to make my lips look dewy. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you guys picked up some tips and tricks. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.